my name is Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Grab your pinkity drink because this is about to be a long video. So this week's fun fact about me is that I've been really getting into reading because I used to be in love with it, and then recently I just kind of got out of it because I was working and doing tons of concerts, going to the concerts and stuff. But since, you know, everything's been kind of shut down, I've just been reading a lot and I love it. I fell in love with it again. So let me know what you guys have been doing in isolation, because I would love to know new hobbies that you guys picked up. Anyways, let's get on into the video. So my first step, I'm gonna go in as I always do and do my eyebrows with my MAC Shape and Shade brow tints, and I'm in the shade Stud, which is like black. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows as usual, but since this is a contour video, I'm gonna kind of fast forward through doing the rest of my makeup because we're focusing on contouring. So if you see me fast forwarding, that is why. I told you I've been using Eucerin as kind of like my primer and everything, and a bunch of serums. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with the Tarte foundation. This is the Rainforest of the Sea, and I'm gonna put that on, and I will be back to teach you guys how to contour. Now it's the step that everyone's been waiting for, which is contour. So I'm gonna show you guys how to contour your face. I'm gonna do powder contour just because that's what I do. I don't do liquid. I feel like liquid's pretty like harsh. So what you want to do is you want to take a fluffy brush like this to do the bronzer. So for the dark color, I'm gonna take in a Morphe M530, and I'm gonna go in with a light brown. So you want to go in with 2 shades darker than your skin tone with the bronzer, because you don't want to look like too harsh, you know? You just want to contour your face. So I will put, but the most important thing is you need to know the shape of your face. I think mine is more oval, so that I contour according to that. I will put the chart somewhere around here, and you can see which like shape you think your face is, and then you can go from there. So what I'm gonna do is you get smile and you put it right under your cheekbone is where you want to start. So then I'm gonna blend up and down like this, and you can never blend too much because you want it to look seamless, and you just want to keep going back and forth, and you can always add more, but you never want to have too much. And then you're gonna go in and you're basically gonna do a 3 is what I do for my face. But like I said, depending on what shape your face is, depends on what you do. So then you're gonna go right here on your jawline, and you're gonna wanna go back and forth on your jawline, and you're just gonna wanna blend back and forth on that jawline until it's blended out. You don't wanna, like I said, you can never blend enough because you don't want it to look too harsh. So basically what I'm saying by the 3 is that after you blend, the spots that you do it in looks like a 3. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have it sit like this, and then I'm gonna go in and do the bronzer on my forehead. So I'm gonna take it like this, and I'm gonna do like just a line up towards the hairline, but you don't want to connect it. Let me see. Right here is where you want to stop. So you're gonna go back and forth like this, and you're just blending that out. Then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take a setting powder. So, and it needs to be 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Since I'm fair, I do the White NYX Twilight Tint is what this is called, and it is a duochromatic professional makeup. So what you want to do is by NYX. So now I'm going to take this brush, okay? And remember, I've only done half of my face that I bronzed. So you want to get a good amount of powder, and you want to suck in like this. You want to go under the line that you did of bronzer, and it's gonna look kind of crazy at first. But what you're doing is this is highlighting, and then you're gonna go under your neck, or your jawline, I mean, under there, and then you're gonna want to do the forehead, so it's aligning everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side of my face off camera, and then I'll be back to show you guys how to contour your nose. For our face, I'm gonna teach you how to contour your nose. So basically, you're gonna think I'm crazy, but I take a Q-tip because I have a small nose. So this is how you do it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and you're gonna start at the top, almost up by your eyebrow, and make a line. Follow your nasal cavity is the best way I can say it, I guess. Hope I'm saying that right. And just make a line up and down. See, 2 lines like that, and then I'm gonna do it on the other side of my nose. And it seems super duper weird, but that is the way to do it, because you need to blend it out, so you don't have 2 brown lines on your nose. And you're gonna want to just go like this, up and down. So you're going, and you're blending it, and I go over like this. I'm gonna do a little quick eye look and show you guys, but I'm just gonna play music through it so I can show you, since this is all about contouring, and then I'll be back to do my outro. Bye. It's hard to believe you don't remember me at all. Am I hard to recognize? You say nice to meet you every time. Yeah, and I made you laugh. I still remember what I said. Guess I shouldn't be surprised. You say nice to meet you every time. I know we got a lot of mutual friends. Don't say my name, don't come up in your conversations. Yeah, who crowned you queen of you? Think you're too cool, making beautiful look ugly. The way you put yourself above me. You treat me like I got nothing on you, making beautiful look ugly. You ain't the ruler of no country, who makes the queen. I hope everyone enjoyed this week's video, and let me know if I helped you guys in any way on how to contour. That's how I contour my face. That's just the best way that I've figured. Some people prefer, the liquid contour more, but I just like powder because I feel like it's easier for me to blend. But let me know what you guys want to see me do next, and as always, thanks for rolling with me.